Hadian kani katuk ani kinoy lam jong parti kila hiar Shella ban Leit bu Syntiew ha ka jakatep jong u Shella la bang gado hangni bau Dr. Don Kuparoi laklat no akar pratrik unaitung arja ka khandai hanong ba deli hadin bolo yo pang katuk ani por swabu unklat Dr. Roy lolong ru Lamphang jong ke yeng dawa thau an ka Jylla ba president ke UDP ya ka kam jong u la Syntiew no daw ba met ba ling do ameli kamerang kumu president ke UDP ba Lamphang ke yeng do bar
Empower with sungu on the kapor. Your chief minister, Dr. State Kajongi, Conrad K. Sangma, the minister Barok, Kaptibala Venedon on the kapor, the MLA Bedan Buram, Kinoete, the Kikam Jonka Party, United Democratic Party. Ki parlok ki ba ki ba thain ki ba na jan na jangai ki be don la ha ka de ka po ha ka bang iwan na ka banta ka ni ka Jingtep na ko snem ka jong de ru Rangbah ubang ida ha ki po baro kar bodang dan ko te nhà anh ngủ yêu lấy và hakini ki system kanti uladan lam dalam kat bapi ko yang kesam uladan lam dalam kat bangka sarkar MDA
Mrs. of our great leader and the entire family members, our Honorable Speaker of the Assembly and the President of the UDP, all my colleagues in the Cabinet, all the MLAs, CEM of the District Council, all the members of the UDP who are present out here, and all the relatives and close friends of late Dr. Don Kuparoi. Friends, we are all here today to remember and to pay our respects to this great leader and this great human being. About 1 year back, when he just suddenly left us, it was something like a shock to all of us. At that point in time, somebody lost a leader, somebody lost a husband, somebody lost a father. But I think as a whole, somebody lost a father. But I think as a whole, the state lost a great human being, and we all lost a great human being. I come back here after a year, and even though a year has passed, I can almost feel and hear him still speaking to me. I remember the small things and the big things he taught me. And I think we all know that we are all standing here, it's because of him. We always know that people will never stay permanently here. We will all have to go one day. But I think what is important for remembering a person is the values that the person stood for. And I believe that Dr. Don will never be forgotten because of the values that he had and he shared. And he always stood by his principles.